Hi everybody, I just want to give you a bit of background on this video before we start. It's originally I was making a coffee table top for a coffee table that I was upcycling. After I glued it together it had all warped and just gone funny. So me being me, not wanting to waste the material, I come up with a sign idea. So hope you enjoy. I've got a load of this old oak flooring in my workshop, so I keep using it to try and get rid of it, to be honest. So I mixed that up with some pallet wood, trimmed it all down to length, and then run it through the planer. Once I've prepared all the bows, it was just a matter of gluing them all together. I don't know if I did anything wrong here. I did everything I normally do, try and keep everything straight and glued them all together, but it got a serious warp in it when I undid everything. I did forget to film the warp in the board. It had got like a belly in the middle. I did try and plane it out, but it wouldn't have made a table top. So then I come up with a sign idea. So I decided to cut angle strips, try and make a decorative sign. I'd already printed the letters out on the computer, and then I just used a glue stick to stick it to the board. I know you can buy special router bits for doing this, but I just used a V-groove router, so the standard thing you get in a kit. Wherever the letters went thin, I just sort of cocked the router over a little bit just to lift the bit out of the wood. I found it a lot easier to carve the letters into the oak rather than the pallet wood. Then I popped some curves onto the edge just to smarten it up a little bit. When I was painting the letters in, the paint started to bleed into the grain a little bit, which made me panic, but it sanded out quite easy. And then I finished it off with some Danish oil. So now all I've got to do is make a new tabletop for my coffee table, which will be another upcoming video, hopefully. Well, thanks for watching, everybody. If you'd like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and do all the other nice things, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.